Hi everyone, now tree traversals. First let me explain what is tree traversal and why tree traversal. Tree traversing means visiting every vertex or node in the tree. After visiting that node, we need to print that node content. So I have a simple tree structure like this. So I am traveling like this. So whenever I traveling like this, I visited 1, then 1 is printed. Then and traveling like this, 2 is visited, 2 is printed. And like this I am traveling like this, here 3 is printed. Hence we need to print all vertices or node content. That is traversing. And why traversing? See, in order to search whether that element or vertex or node present in the tree or not, we need to search, we need to traverse. So traverse means searching, simply tree searching I can say. Okay, so whenever you want to add extra or a new vertex to the tree, so at what position you want to add, so for that you should travel from root node to respective added position. For example, if you want to delete a node from the given tree, so at what position you want to delete a node in tree, so for that you need to travel from root node to respective deleted node. For example, if you want to modify the existing node, again that existing node, in order to reach that existing node, we need to travel from root node to that particular node to modify. So like that, in order to search, add, delete, modify, we need to traverse in a tree. I think why tree traversals and what tree traversal you understood. Okay, now the following are the tree traversal techniques. We have a pre-order, in-order, post-order. So here remember the order, pre-order number is 1 and in-order number is 2 and post-order number is 3. So remember this order, I will explain. Okay, so if you remember 1, 2, 3, the tree traversals are very easy. I will show you how. So first pre-order. So here pre-order, the name itself very clear. In pre-order your root element is the first, and in order your root element is middle, and in post-order your root element is last. So in pre-order, root follows left subtree, follows right subtree, and these are the 3 steps for pre-order. Return the root node value first, then traverse left subtree and traverse right subtree. So that's why I written shortcuts over here. Root, left subtree, right subtree. Okay, now I will explain this example. And in order we have 3 steps here. First left subtree, then root, then right subtree. So traverse left subtree first, then return the root node value, and then traverse right subtree. Okay, next post order, here first left subtree, then right subtree, then after root. Hence traverse the left subtree, then traverse right subtree, then return the root node value. Okay, I will show you one simple example, later explain this pre-order, post-order, in order with a single example. So here I have 3 tree like this, and connected 1 to 2, 1 2 3, and here just now I told you pre-order is a 1, in order is a 2, and post order is a 3, right? In the same way here, root node 1 is for root node and 2 is for left subtree and 3 is for right subtree. Remember this. Okay, there 1 is pre-order, 2 is the in-order, 3 is the post-order, and here 1 is the root, 2 is the left subtree, 3 is the right subtree. Just assign the numbers, then tree traversal is complete. So here root node, see here 1 is the root node, hence assign 1 here, and this edge is the left subtree of this one, right? So and make sure that 2 is right 2 is below the edge, and this is the right subtree of 1, then right 3 is outside edge. Okay, and when I travel from here to here, this is a node, it become a root node, and there is no left subtree and there is no right subtree. In the same way here, this is the root node and there is no left subtree and there is no right subtree. Now I am traveling like this. Okay, so while traveling, if see I told you, right, 1 is pre-order and 2 is in order, 3 is post order. Okay, so here when I travel from here to here, 1 is visited. For example, if you want pre-order for this, so what is the number for pre-order? 1. So while traveling, you visit 1, print that particular node. So let us see. So here I am traveling like this. Yes, 1 is visited, hence what this 1 is respect to this root node, right? Hence 1 is printed. Then I am traveling like this. Yes, 1 is visited for 2. Yes, 2 is printed. Next I am traveling like this. Yes, 1 is visited, this 1 is for 3, right? Hence this is the pre-order. And for example, if you want to in order means 2, right? So while traveling, 2 is visited, 2 digit is visited, then print that particular node value. So let's say I am traveling like this, and don't think here 2 is visited because 2 is inside the edge. Here we not visited. So I am traveling like this. Yes, 2 is visited. So this 2 is for second, 2 node. Hence 2 is printed. Next I am traveling like this. Yes, 2 is visited. Yes, this 2 is for 1. This 1 is printed. Then I am traveling. So here 2 is visited. That 2 is for 3. Yes, this is the in order. And post order number is 3, right? So while traveling like this, if 3 is visited, print that particular node value. So I am traveling like this. So 3 is visited, hence that 3 is for 2 node, and traveling like this. And don't think here 3 is visited because 3 is outside the edge. Now I am here. Yes, 3 is visited. This 3 is for third node. Yes, 3 is printed. Then I am traveling like this. Yes, 3 is printed, visited. Then the 3 is for root node, right? That is root. So this is post order. So in pre-order, the root node is the first element, and in order the root node is the middle element, and in post order the root element is at the end. Okay, so this is a simple process in order to write a pre-order, in order, post order of the given tree. Let us see more example. Yeah, this is the given graph. So first we need to identify the numbers. 1 is root, 2 is the left subtree, 3 is the right subtree. Here root, left subtree, right subtree. Here root, left subtree, right subtree. Root, left, right. Root, left, right. Root, left, right. Root, left, right. Okay. Now I am traveling like this. Okay. So while I am traveling, if 1 is visited, pre-order. If it is 2, in order. If it is 3, post order. Simple, right? So let us see one by one. So first, pre-order. Okay. Now I am traveling like this. Yes, 1 is visited. This one is for A. Yes, A is printed. Next I am traveling like this. Yes, 1 is visited for B. B is printed. Next D. Next I am traveling like this. Yes, 1 is visited. This one is for E. Next I am traveling like this. 1 is visited. C. Then F. Then G. Okay, no more ones, right? Hence I visited all vertices. Okay. So now in order. Okay. So in order number is 2, right? So I am traveling like this. 2 is visited, then write the particular node value. So here 2 is not visited because the 2 is inside the edge. So I am traveling like this. Yes, 2 is visited. So this 2 is for D. Okay, write D. Next I visited here 2. This 2 is for B. Then B. Then E. Then this 2 is for A. Then I am traveling like this. Yes, I visited 2. This 2 is for F. Then 2 visited. That 2 is for C. Next this 2 is for G. Hence no more 2's. Then I visited all vertices in order method. So here your root node is the middle, and in pre-order your root node is at start. And now post order. So what is the number for post order? 3, right? So while you travel from here to here, if 3 is visited, print that particular node value. Yes, 3 is visited. So this 3 is for D. Next. So here I am not visiting 3 here because that 3 is outside the edge. Yes. And here I visited 3. This 3 is for E. E. Then 3 is visited. This 3 is for B. Next, this 3 is not visited. And here I visited 3. Yes, this 3 is for F. Next, I visited 3 here. This 3 is for G. Next 3 is visited. This 3 is for C. Next I visited 3, and this 3 is for A. Yes, no more 3's. Hence I visited all vertices in the given tree, and moreover your root node is at the end. So this is the way we need to write pre-order, in-order, post-order of the given graph or tree. I hope everyone understood this. Okay, thank you.